Nepal is one of the most beautiful countries in the world, with the high snow-capped mountains, hills and the plains make this country a most beautiful one. Though the people are poor, but they love to live in peace and harmony. They are brave and hard workers. Life is difficult, but they are happy. But the last massive and destructive earthquake brought tears and sufferings to the people of Nepal. We had never imagined such a huge destruction. As a responsible organization, CarNetNepal could not remain silent in this disaster time. So CarNetNepal decided to respond to the disaster.
We decided to respond to the disaster, so we moved ahead.
Keeping our families outside in the tarpaulins, we moved to serve in our project area, Noakot and Sindupalchok. We had no funds, nor any plans or preparations. We only had is our heart to serve. We mobilized all our mechanism and put huge efforts to serve the victims. CarNetNepal distributed emergency food supplies to 4,516 households, where 30,293 people benefited. They also received tarpaulins and the kitchen kits. 2,361 households received the shelter kits, where 12,782 people benefited. 135 transitioning shelters built in Sindupalchok. 1,504 households received latrine kits. 48 toilets in 16 schools were built, benefiting 2,058 children. 36 water taps were built into all schools, where 1,638 children are benefiting. Around 2,000 children who were traumatized recovered through the psychological first aid camps. 1,237 children were made aware in the displaced camps to take care of their personal hygiene and distributed hygiene kits for them. 25 child protection vigilant groups were formed to protect the children from being trafficked, and they were trained to protect children. 25 child-friendly spaces were formed where 1,445 children participated. 70 households received solar lights. 300 households received winterization package. 27,000 children received the gift boxes that were to make the children happy and encourage them for school. We thank and express our gratitude to those who supported us financially and technically in this disaster time. We also thank the church volunteers and my dedicated staff who tirelessly serve days and nights. CarNetNepal is committed to help and serve the neediest people of Nepal. We have further plans to reconstruct the community schools, run the projects on wash, child protection and livelihood. We need your support and prayers so that we can help and protect many children and families.